Hello everyone, I'm Arunim Aij and I'm here to take you through the Yoyo test application I have designed. What you see on the screen right now is the test list. Here we list all the tests which has been scheduled or which has been conducted in the past. If the user is looking for something in particular, he can tap on the sort by or the filter button at the bottom. Or if the user is trying to add a new test, he can directly go and tap on the add new button at the top. In the add new test screen, the user can enter the test details like test name and the date, along with the maximum number of participants. At this point, the user has two options to add participants. One is to add participants manually, and the second one is to add by group. On tapping on add by group, the user can see all the list of the groups available, along with the participants in the group. The user can directly go ahead and tap on the add group button to add the participants in the roster. If the user wants to remove a particular participant for some reason, he can go ahead and do it by tapping on the remove button at the right of the card. If the user wants to add a participant manually, then he can go and tap on the add participant button at the bottom and search for that particular participant. Once the user has searched for that particular participant, he can just select the number of participants and that will get added to the roster. Once the user have reviewed all the details and the participants, he can go ahead and save the test. Once the confirmation is there, he can directly go and tap on OK. We can see here the test which we just scheduled comes at the top. Tapping on that particular test opens up the test details page where we see when the test has been scheduled, the number of participants, as well as detail of the participants. At this point, the user can also edit the test. After making the necessary changes, the user can save the test and we go back to the test details page. Let's start the test now. Here we are right now in the ongoing test screen. We have summarized all the test information in this particular rounded rectangle. We see the level, we see the cumulative time along with the shuttle information. The white border is basically showing the progress. This is so as to make the user aware of when the beep is about to happen. Swiping up will show a detailed information of all the candidates, and the user will be able to warn or end that particular candidate's test, like based on his own judgment. Tapping on the stop test button will take the user to the test result page. Here on the test result page, we see the maximum number of level which has been attained and the ranking of all the participants based on the level and the shuttle they have completed. Here the user also has an option to edit the result, and tapping on the edit result button, we see all the information related to that particular candidate. Once the details have been edited, the user can save the changes, and if the user want, they can go ahead and look at the analysis. The analysis is basically a graphical view of which candidate is going ahead. Tapping on a particular bar graph will select that particular graph and show which candidate that particular tower belongs to. The user also has an option to delete the test. Tapping on delete test at the top gives a confirmation button, and deleting the test takes them back to the test list. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Have a good day.